Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into something super practical, something a lot of us need, side hustles that actually put cash in your pocket the very same day. So if you're looking to make money fast, you're in the right place.
I mean, we've all been there, haven't we? That long, long wait for payday. You put in the hours, you do the work, but then you're stuck, waiting, sometimes for weeks, for that money to finally show up in your account. And let's be honest, it's super frustrating, especially when you need that cash now.
Well, guess what? We're about to change that. Think of this as your personal guide to skipping the wait entirely. We're on a quest, you and me, to find the absolute best ways to turn your spare time into money you can use today. Yeah, the name of the game here is simple: speed. We are only looking at powerful, legit side hustles that offer daily or even instant payouts. So no more waiting around. Let's jump right in. All right, first up, let's talk about getting paid to move. This whole category is about turning physical action into cold, hard cash. So if you're the kind of person who likes being on the go and can't stand being stuck behind a desk, yeah, these are going to be perfect for you. Okay, so let's look at two really popular ways to do this. On one side, you've got food delivery. You know the big names, like DoorDash and Uber Eats. The beauty here is flexibility. You work when you want, and a lot of these apps let you cash out your earnings the same day for just a tiny fee. Now, on the other side, we've got reselling, or flipping. This is that classic buy low, sell high game. You might hit up thrift stores or Facebook Marketplace. The catch, you need a little cash to buy stuff first. But the potential profit, it can be way higher. And when you make a sale, that money is yours pretty much instantly. Okay, but what if you'd rather use your brain than your car? Well, this next category is for you. Seriously, you might be sitting on a total gold mine of skills that you can turn into daily cash. And the best part? A lot of these have zero startup costs. None. And getting started with freelancing is actually way simpler than you might think. It's really just a few steps. First, just figure out what you're good at. Could be writing, graphic design, heck, even just being really organized with spreadsheets. Step 2, hop on a platform like Fiverr or Upwork. They're basically marketplaces that connect you with people who need your help. 3, you just complete a small gig for a client. And then step 4, my favorite part, you get paid. So many of these sites now have instant payout options the second your work gets the thumbs up.
So, what kind of gigs are we talking about here? Well, the demand is absolutely huge. Think about it. Businesses, content creators, they're always looking for someone to design a simple logo, write a few social media posts, create a cool YouTube thumbnail, or even just write a short article. These aren't obscure jobs. They're skills that are super in demand right now and can lead you straight to a daily paycheck.
All right, for our third and final category, we're shifting gears and moving completely online. Now, these hustles offer some crazy flexibility, and some can even make you money when you're not, actively working. And that brings us to this amazing idea called passive income. You've probably heard of it. Basically, instead of just trading your time for dollars, you create something once, like a digital template or an ebook or some artwork, and that one thing can sell over and over and over again. It's literally the dream of making money while you sleep. So let's look at two different ways to do this online. You've got the super low effort option, online surveys, on sites like Swagbucks. Perfect for when you've got a few spare minutes, and you can probably make an extra $5 to $20 a day. Easy. Then, you've got the other end of the spectrum, creating digital products. Yeah, this takes more work up front, for sure, but the potential reward, it's pretty much limitless. You create it once, put it up on a site like Etsy, and the platform can literally be sending you daily payouts as people buy it, 24/7. Whew. Okay, so we've covered a ton of ground, right? We've looked at getting paid to move, turning your skills into freelance gigs, and diving into the world of online income. So now, really, it's all about figuring out which of these paths feels right for you. So just to recap real quick, we've got 3 main paths to that daily payout. Path 1, get paid to move, using your energy for things like delivery or flipping. Path 2, monetize your skills, turning what you already know into cash as a freelancer. And path 3, go digital with online and passive income for ultimate flexibility. The cool thing is, every single one of these can get you paid today. Look, the chance to earn money today is more real now than it has ever been before. You really just have to pick a starting point and go for it. So the only question I have for you is, which path are you going to take?